Don't mind the recycling. This one is a troublemaker. They're going outside very soon. Oh. Sometimes I wonder about you chickens. Like, what are you doing up there, Fern? They're all thinking about getting down right about now. Here. What a good girl you are, Tula. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you get around that troublemaker, that Betty Clucker. They're being so silly. The apple petals in their box, but I don't think there's enough that it's going to be very interesting. It kind of blends into their food, or their pine shavings.
Easy, Fern.
That's not Fern.
Who's that?
That's Spectra.
Oh. She looks a little beat up.
Spectra's always looked a little beat up. Maybe Spectra's a rooster. Kind of a long tail, though.
At this age, roosters and pullets look the same. Still.
It's a chicken playground. Oh, I'm going to give you the test. Which one is Nugget?
This is Nugget. This is Roxanne.
Nope. That is Nugget over there on the farther end, and that is Roxanne.
Okay. Is this Fern?
Yes. Who's that?
Tula.
Tula. And that one. That one right there. She is trouble. See, look, they're so into the water. They're very curious about it. You can't really see it on the camera, though. I'm really bad at video today.
It's okay. I'll recycle some. I'll use whatever you send me, and I'll recycle some more.
Look at the crazy chickens. These two look very similar, just like Roxanne and Nugget look very similar. So one of them's Spectra and one of them's Tula. And Betty Clucker is red and Fern is brown. This one, though, she's trouble.